We've been all over the world. We have the Houdini Museum. We're on TV. We just put a new game out called Monopoly, but it's called Houdini-opoly. We'll be showing it to you a little bit later. But this is dedicated to my mom. She's supported me in my life, and she's way up in her 90s, so we'll do it to music if I can. I was raised in the meanest ghetto in New York, but I had a mom who was supportive of me. And ever since I'm a kid, I've been on TV, and magic's been good. I've entertained in England, Miami, the Caribbean, Las Vegas, Hollywood. Houdini did the world's smallest stage trick with bunches of needles and thread. So I go even smaller with just a single strand of thread. As Mom grew older, she gathered her 9 kids with one thought in mind. She wanted us each to take an item she'd leave behind. One took a chest of drawers, another an antique charm. I only took her sewing kit with several yards of yarn. It reminded me of how she loved to sew, or so she pretended. We'd often talk as my tattered hand-me-down clothes she mended. She said there'll be times in life when things unwind. Broken promises. Rejection. Failure, betrayal, a broken heart. She said, believe in yourself. Take all your best parts, pull them together. Believe in yourself, no matter how dark the weather. Her sewing kit sits on a shelf at home. It's one of the most important things I own. She said, in life when things unfurl, belief is the strongest force in the world. She is so dear to my eyes, she brings a tear. But let me make this clear, a part of her magic will always be near. I love you,